This is the DipWell Easy Acrylic Dip System. It's got everything you need to do a dip manicure at home, and it's supposed to make the process really, really simple. Let me show you how it works. The Build Your Own Bundle Kit is $45. It lets you pick out 3 different powders, so here are my powders right there. And it also has all of the liquids that you're gonna need to do this dip manicure at home. It's a lot of steps, I'm not gonna lie. The first step is to push back cuticles, shape and buff the nails, and sanitize the hands. Next is to apply a coat of bonder. Be quick with this next step and remember to work one nail at a time. Apply the base coat and dip your nails into the dip powder at a 45-degree angle. Make sure it's fully coated. You can tap off all the excess powder or just use a makeup brush like I did to dust it off. Then you have to repeat those steps all over again for more coverage because just one layer does not look great. Once the coverage is opaque and even, you apply the base coat again. Try super hard not to flood your cuticles or get this on your skin because the powder is gonna stick and solidify wherever the base liquid is. Next, you just dip your nails into the base and finish powder, which is meant to seal in all of those layers we just did. Apply the activator over that. Once your nails harden, they'll look a little messed up, but then you can buff away all the grit that's left over. After buffing, you have to wash your hands and wipe your nails down with alcohol. Go in with one last layer of activator to seal everything in. Finish off with 2 coats of sealer. This is kind of like a top coat and it's gonna make the nails look super shiny. I think for a first try, these came out really, really cute. I feel like there are some imperfections on my nails that were my own fault. I either didn't wait long enough for a certain step or I accidentally dinged my nail like I did on this finger, but the effect is very similar to like an actual mani that I would get at a salon. Everything is so clearly labeled and all the steps are very explained. You're not gonna get lost. Like, anybody can do this.